Hi, my name is Dave Andrews. Today I'm going to show you how to remove an Excel password. Let's go to our computer and open up Excel. I'm going to click on the Start button and go to All Programs. Let's find Microsoft Office and then click on Excel. I'm going to open up a password protected document by clicking on my Office button and clicking Open. I'm going to navigate to my desktop where I have one saved. I'm just going to open up my Excel spreadsheet here. Now this is my document and I'm not able to change any cells or type anything. I'm trying here to double click to where I can edit a cell. This document is password protected and it won't allow me to change anything. So to remove that password in Excel, I have to click on the Review tab and then click on Unprotect Sheet. So I'm just going to click that now. And you must know the password and able to unprotect the worksheet. So I'm going to type in the password, which happens to be David, and click OK. Now I'm able to type and edit these worksheets just as if the password had never existed. Now, if I don't reprotect it with a new password and I save it, then when I open that Excel spreadsheet again, it's no longer protected at all. So it's a good idea to, every time you make changes to it, if you want the document to remain protected, go back to your Review tab and protect that worksheet again by typing in the password. My name's Dave Andrews, and I've just showed you how to remove an Excel password.